Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 shop. Today we installed backup camera on a 2015 Mercedes GLA 250 that it came with nav, it came with front and back sensors, but no backup camera, and that's where we installed the backup camera. So we retain the original screen and we add the backup camera by going to reverse. The screen shifts to backup camera. It comes with dynamic parking guidelines, and also it comes with sensors. As you can see, that's the sensor position. I'm going to show you how it works. So let's say I'm going to reverse now. And there is an object behind me, so you see the sensors, they start to be activated. Also the front sensors as well. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras for Mercedes GLA, please give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. You can see by turning the steering wheel, the parking guidelines turns too. Thank you and have a great day.